You no longer have to wait for or dream about the intelligent home. You can find it right here on My Home. And the best thing about it, it's free. My Home is a futuristic tool that allows you to monitor and control your energy consumption. And it only takes a few minutes to create an overall picture, expose your power guzzlers, and maybe save thousands of kroner into the bargain. When you create a profile on My Home, you automatically get a floor plan which defines your possibilities now and in the future. You can easily make changes to the floor plan, move rooms, walls and doors, or you can draw a completely new plan and organize and equip it like your own home. You then simply drag icons representing your appliances directly into the floor plan. The more information you provide about your appliances and how you use them, the better My Home helps you save money. And the more detailed your overview. Your floor plan also opens up other possibilities. If you equip your home with plugs, thermostats and dimmers that use the Z-Wave standard, you really will have an intelligent home. This means you can use either My Home or your mobile phone to switch heating, lights, alarms and room sensors on and off even when you're not at home. Look for the Trust's energy saving label. This is your guarantee that wireless devices can be controlled from My Home. My Home also lets you see how much you can save by switching to a different electricity company. You can compare prices, follow daily CO2 output, or check whether you can benefit by transferring your consumption to off-peak periods such as early morning or late at night. My Home is your first step on the way to an intelligent home. You get an efficient tool for monitoring and controlling your energy consumption, and with a new wireless standard, you're already on the way to a future which is easier, greener, and considerably more profitable. Create a profile and start using My Home today. And remember, it's free.